If you harvest reeds that have grown for a year in salty alkaline land and dry them on rocks under the sun, you get reed fuel rich in salt. This process removes moisture, but the salt remains trapped inside the dried reeds and cannot be eaten directly. Being clever, you burn the reeds into ash. Then, you fill a clay pot with holes in the bottom with straw. Place the reed ash inside and pour clean water through it. As the water filters through the ash, it dissolves and carries away the salt, producing salty brine. This is known as lye extraction from ash. Next, you pour the brine into a pot and boil it over high heat, skimming off any foam that appears. When all the water evaporates, you are left with crude reed salt. However, this crude salt still contains magnesium chloride and calcium chloride, which make it taste bitter. To improve it, you add clean water and dissolve the salt again by boiling. Then you mix in plant ash and stir continuously. The carbonate in the ash reacts with the calcium and magnesium ions, forming white solid deposits that sink to the bottom because they do not dissolve in water. Afterward, you filter the liquid through several layers of cotton cloth to remove the impurities, leaving behind clean salt water. You return this purified brine to the pot and boil it again until all the water evaporates. The white crystals that remain are no longer bitter, but they are still clumped together and cannot yet be called fine salt. So you crush the salt lumps in a stone mortar and sift them through a fine bamboo sieve. The tiny white grains that pass through are the ancient world's precious white gold. Congratulations, you have invented reed salt refining.